Hello guys, Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I'm joined again by Angel.
Hello there.
Yeah, long time we haven't shared a video together.
Which was the last one?
Probably similar to the one we have today, which is an unboxing for the 2021 Pride Edition Apple Watch band.
I must say that I like more the design of the 2020. This is the one from 2020 or
Probably
2019? 2020. I like more the design of this, but I like more the materials from that one. So, well.
Yeah, these are very comfy. I have the blue one.
That's the case.
They're very nice.
That's the case. They
But
are comfortable.
you also have to not grow your wrist size too much because it's not adjustable. So the one you get is the one you will get forever.
Yeah, but I mean, it is a little bit flexible for what I understand.
Yeah,
so.
It is. And you'll try it out. But yeah, so this was released in 2021, and there was also another one released in 2021. That one has been discontinued, but this one still remains. And yeah, it's super nice. I like this one better because it's a bit more discreet, even more than the 2022 ones. The ones that were released this year, they're like too obvious, like yours, to be fair. But but yeah, this one's more discreet, so that's what I like about it. And this one is still available, so if you want to get it, you can get it at Apple's website. I think it's Apple exclusive, for 99 euros, dollars, pounds, etc. So not cheap, but
well, good to know that it is still available.
If you like it, maybe you'll end up doing something crazy after the video.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll open it as usual. We'll peel off here. And chan chan.
Oh yeah, I love the.
Yeah, it's nice. Are you ready?
Yeah. Really nice.
Looks very nice.
Is
indeed.
that aluminum? The end of the.
I'm not sure, actually. Could be stainless steel. It is very nice. I like it.
I think it is more colorful in real
person,
life
yeah.
than in the package.
Yeah, that is true, I think. You can compare here, it's like more muted here. Yeah. But yeah, it's more colorful and it's very, very, very nice. I like it, so we'll put it on.
I'm thinking things.
And yeah, it has Pride 2021 here, and here the 44mm and size 4. If you want to check the size that you have for either this or the silicone solo loop bands, I have a video explaining it, and you can see it here or here. I never know what corner it is. But yeah, assembled in China. And
no, the other way around.
And here it is. I like how it looks in the with the space gray, but we can also try it in yours. That's the silver.
Ooh.
It's very, very nice. Fits very well. I don't know what clothes I would match this with, but it's nice.
Yeah, you are gay now.
Ooh. Let's try it with your watch.
Okay.
It probably looks even better, to be honest.
Yeah, because the aluminum is of the same color, I think.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty wet. Like, you cannot really see the connection, which is nice. You only see like the...
Ah, really? Oh, that's true. But I don't know, for me that's... I don't completely like that detail.
I like it, because otherwise you can have the opposite problem, like it happens with the stainless steel Milanese loop. I'll bring it in a moment. Okay, so we're back, and I brought a few bands. So with this one, we have the issue that this is made for the stainless steel Apple Watch, and mine is the aluminum one. So the black doesn't exactly match.
I think that's normal because of the material.
Yeah, but it would match perfectly with the stainless steel.
Yeah.
It won't be a difference.
Ah, well, I see.
And you don't have the problem with this one.
Yeah, that's a good point.
The good thing about this one is that it doesn't matter how you put it on the watch, because usually we have problems when I unbox bands with you.
Yeah, that's
you always put it on the wrong way.
Yeah, that's true.
And
Let me see. I think this band is a little bit too...
Yeah, you might need another size.
No.
Up.
I think it is even loose.
Yeah, a bit loose. That's weird.
Yeah.
What size?
Well, I have a really thin wrist.
Okay, now we didn't have the problem putting the band on the watch, but we have the problem putting the watch on.
That's true. So, do you want me to remove the...
Okay. Okay, so here is the band, again in my watch, with the space gray. I think, yeah, it would match any watch, even the gold ones maybe. But we'll have a look at the packaging, because there's something special here. And as you know, usually Apple releases Apple Watch faces that go with the bands for Pride. And since last year, we have an AppClip in the box to scan it and go to the watch face, which is this thing here.
Oh, really? Oh.
So if you take your phone and take the camera, you just scan it here, and it recognizes it, and it says Pride Watch.
You have to tap on it.
I know, but I don't have 5 hands. Yeah, Braided watch, and you'll get the AppClip here. Say view, and it will directly take you to the Apple Watch app, and you can add the watch face from there.
Mm-hmm.
So that's super nice. We'll add to my faces.
Good to know. It's funny to see such a colorful band.
I know.
Such a dark watch.
True. That's a good
For
point.
me, it's sad. But hey, it looks really nice.
Yeah, I really like how it looks, the contrast with the black, and how it matches the theme of the band,
Yeah.
which is very nice. I don't know, what I like about these watch faces is that you cannot have any complications, which is a bit unfortunate.
Yeah,
I
that's
like
true.
to have a lot
Well,
of
I have
complications.
the Memoji one, which doesn't have any just the sport one.
Yeah, I usually have this one that has like all the complications. But yeah, I really like this band actually. I think it's my favorite, this one and the one with the holes.
Yeah, because in person it looks much colorful. The thing was that I thought it was more dimmer.
Yeah,
It was dimmer. So, well, it's good to know.
it's nice, it's nice. My favorite I think are these and the one that you have, the one with the dots.
Oh yeah,
That one was very nice as well.
That is a really discreet band.
And that one I missed, I couldn't get it for myself. But this one I didn't want to miss out, so I got it, and now I have it. But yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here.
Yeah, because there's no...
Yeah, it's just an Apple Watch band.
There's not much to say.
Yeah, but thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this Apple Watch band, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to answer. And also, if you like Apple and like Apple videos in general,
Subscribe.
thank you.
Subscribe, because he's a really nice guy. And
Thank you.
his videos are incredible.
Oh, thank you. And yeah, thumbs up if you want to see Angel in future videos. And that's going to be it for today.
You live a little bit too far.
Well,
That's a problem.
We'll make it happen.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.